Hello and welcome back to Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the last little box on the pricing area of the Kajabi Offer page. And this is at the very bottom, and it's a limited quantity or a limited time option or functionality that you can build into your offer. And these two things are pretty interesting. And if you are going to be doing an end date type of a promotion, or if you're only selling a certain number of things and you want to make sure that you don't oversell, then the limited quantity could be pretty great, or the limited time could also be a good option for you. And so to get to these, you go into your offer, you click on pricing up in the little menu bar, and then you scroll down to the bottom and it's offer availability. And so go ahead and experiment with these. If you're going to be doing this, you're going to want to test it out first. So take some time and do that. And you can just toggle each of those options on with the little toggle button, and then you can set a limit and then choose what happens if that limit's been met. So, this doesn't make your link go dead for your checkout page, but it does something else, either a sold out page that it shows or redirects to a landing page. And then on that landing page, you can set up something else for your people. So if you are doing a limited quantity, it is pretty cool. They've got the box now that you can show the remaining number of available things on the checkout to let people know how much is left. And if you're doing the limited time, then when the offer expires should be there on the checkout page as well. And you get the same options for that. You set your date and time. After this moment in time, what happens? Do they go to an expired page or to a landing page? And it's a redirect to that landing page also. So instead of going to the checkout page, if it's expired, then they'll see those two things. Now, these are two options that add some interesting dynamics to the way that you can present Kajabi offers to your customers. You can mix these into the funnel to have promotions, have limited number of sales, however you want. It's great to know that they're there. And if you are going to be using them, experiment with them a little bit so that you get an idea as to how they work and how they look before you put it live in front of your customers. Now, I haven't talked about coupons yet, and that is coming farther down the road in this offers, series of episodes. But I do want to just sneak in right now that within coupons, you are also able to have expiry dates, and that can create its own similar type of limited time promotional aspect to the offers in what you do. But that's all I've got for you today about the limited availability functionality in the Kajabi offers. And I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next week for some more Kajabi awesomeness.